Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to peel off, separate, or in Tagalog, himay, or ano pa ba? Basta, alam niyo na yun. The spring roll wrappers. This season of the year, I'm sure there will be lots of spring rolls and bananaturon served on the table. So this is a frozen spring roll wrappers that we can buy at the market. I think this is the only spring rolls here in Canada. I never seen a fresh spring roll wrappers here. So what I do first is thaw the frozen wrappers in the fridge overnight. Then after it is thawed, I do it like this. I don't know what the process is called, but this is to loosen every pieces of the wrappers. And as you can see, it's very easy to peel them apart. This is most especially very helpful if you use fresh spring roll wrappers. Because the fresh spring roll wrappers are tightly packed. So if you do this, it will make your life easier. Loosen it first by doing what I did on the video. Okay, just keep watching because this is a real-time video to show you how fast and quick it is to peel off each pieces when you loosen it first. Some pieces even fall apart by itself. And also, it is very important to cover the wrappers to prevent from drying. And I am also showing you a part where I didn't loosen the wrappers. So as you can see, it is very difficult to even find a tiny opening so you can pull or peel apart the wrappers. Usually if you don't loosen it first, you end up tearing the piece. So friends, share this video to all your friends to make their life easier too in this season of the year.